Hi, welcome to another video today. So let's get started with our quote of the day. It's going to be Amos chapter 5 verse 24, but let justice roll on like a river, righteousness like a never failing stream. Okay, so that's our quote of the day. And today we're going to be covering running remote commands with the invoke command. So let's get started. Alright, so let's get started with our getting into PowerShell. Okay, so we're gonna type PowerShell here. Then we're going to right click and go in admin mode. Okay, and we're always going to start off with our, alright, so we're going to assign the cred variable and store credentials in there. Oops, so I think it's supposed to be get credential. I made a mistake there. There we go. And then you put the username and password of the remote machine. Alright, and that's where it stores, and then we're going to do our, we are going to do our enter PS session. Alright, and then this is where we're going to put it in. Okay. So it says the host name could not be parsed. Alright, let's try it without the quotes, see if that would help. Oh, I put exclamation mark too. I think that was the problem. So I think the quotes will work. Yep, so it was just a typo error there. So we're in there. Now we're going to try to use the Invoke-Command. So if you followed the video yesterday, we just ran like a remove command just to get. So you can do the Invoke-Command. Okay. And alright, so let's try to do this in, let's get out of this mode and try to do this in the invoke command so you can see the difference. Alright, so we are going to place this with invoke command, and the only difference is we're going to put another parameter in between here and script block. So inside the script block, then you're going to put the command that you want to do. So we'll just be doing get service for now. Alright. And let's see if this works. There you go. So as you can see, it's continued to list all the services that we wanted just by doing that command. So that's how you could use the invoke. Now you could use the invoke to actually execute a PowerShell script as well. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to we're going to do our local scripts. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a local script from this machine, and I'm going to show you what we ran here. That's not the script. So on this local machine, we have a C local scripts. That's the name of the folder here, and we're going to execute this, and I'll show you what's in here. So what we have here is it's going to create a new file on the remote machine. So I'm going to, and this is our remote machine here, and as you can see, we don't have anything that has that file name, which is test file remote. So I'll test file remote, just showing you. All right, so we don't have anything in there right now. So let's go ahead and run this and see what we get. So, okay, and it's going to be test.ps1. So let's just close this off, and we're going to change our path here, which is going to be local scripts. And let me just make sure of that. Yeah, local scripts. And then it's going to be called test.ps1. Okay, so scripts is disabled on this system. So when you get that, you have to set this to an execute. So let me do that. So there's many ways you could do it, and you could set the permission level. So this one I'm just going to do set execution policy. And I'm just going to do unrestricted for now. Alright, let me just do A. Alright, so it should execute the script now. Let's give it a second here. And there you go. So it created a file on this machine, and so it created that empty file. So if we go back to our machine now and do a search again, there you go. So it found it. So that works. So this is what allows you to execute local scripts from your machine to a remote, so you could execute them on the remote machines, which is very cool. So yeah, so that's what I wanted to show you guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And let's close off with our quote of the day. It's going to be Amos chapter 5 verse 24. But let justice roll on like a river, righteousness like a never failing stream. And don't forget to read your Bible, and if you're not going to church, try to find a good Bible-based church. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.